Ready for a blast from the past? Hit play, because the nostalgia starts now.
Wow, look at the moon, Melissa.
Yeah, we bought it for $8, $9.
T-shirt. That's a sweater. Oh, I see.
Everybody knows what you do. Shut up a flare or something. Oh, shit. Them cigars of yours smells like burning garbage.
I'm the bad guy.
Warning, remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
Now, what did I do to deserve this?
Indiana Jones unearthed a great treasure. Will Harrison Ford escape with his discovery? And what will be your fate? Beware.
Oh, snakes. Now, why did it have to be snakes? Hey, what are you looking at?
Served in this ancient burial chamber on the chest.